Two speakers, one smart looking package. These are the Creative V2 desktop speakers. I have came across these V2s in various different stores here within the UK. They are indeed the successor to the Pebble 1 speakers, and I must say from the image on the front of the box, they do look rather smart. But how good are they? Well, let's find out. Guys, and welcome back to the Gogetyours review channel. And yes, we are back with yet another set of speakers. These ones have been sent to us from Creative themselves. This video is not sponsored, but before we get into the review, please guys go ahead in this video just now and support this channel by subscribing and not forgetting to click that bell notification option so you guys can stay updated on my new uploads. It would be very much appreciated. Now, outside the box, there are various features listed, like these speakers having 16 watts peak power. It is powered by a USB-C, which is great to see, and it has a setup guide to the right hand side. Inside the box, we have another box, with the contents consisting of the usual paperwork, like the warranty, etc., and a USB-C to a USB-A converter. So if you haven't got a USB-C on your laptop, you can use the USB-A adapter by basically slotting it into the USB slot. Looking at the speakers, they have a 45-degree elevated design. They are quite modern looking, they are stunning with those gold coloured drivers. You have an on-off volume control dial to the right of the unit with an LED power indicator to the left. Underneath, they have that built-in gain switch, so when plugged into a 10 watts USB-C or a USB-A port, it will activate to give you amplified audio with a peak power up to 16 watts. Both speakers are connected via a 1.3 meter cable, as well as a 3.5mm audio jack for audio and a USB-C power cable. As mentioned, you can use that USB-A converter if you haven't got a USB-C slot on your PC and laptop. And with those gold drivers to the front and some passive radiators to the rear, it should supply you with not only richer, louder audio, but an enhanced bass reproduction. Let's take a listen for ourselves. Let's go ahead and plug them in, and with that plug and play feature, audio output comes within seconds. As the music continues to play in the background, I must admit right from the off that these Creative V2 speakers do provide you with a good audio punch despite its overall small footprint. Those full range drivers to the front and those passive radiators to the rear do a superb job outputting rich and loud audio with pretty good sounding bass. There are a few desktop speakers on the market just now that do cost more but also sit flat. But with these Creative 45-degree elevated drivers, sound is directed specifically towards your face when sat at a desk, for example. When that gain switch is switched on the bottom of the unit, and remember it's being powered by that 10 watt connection, then the audio level will be increased. Audio level is good, the level sits almost perfect, that is until you turn it to its max level. Then bass becomes a bit distorted. With that being said though, I don't think that 100% volume is necessary, as I think that these V2s are loud enough at between 80 to 90%. Now, as desktop speakers go, I actually think that these Creative V2s would be good for gaming, fantastic for video editing, I've actually been using them myself this week, and also good for music playback, movies, and even music making. I do love these little speakers, and with the audio quality, it does make me wonder what the Creative Pebble Plus must sound like with that extra subwoofer included. I don't know, all I know is that for the price right now of £20, that's 26 in US dollars, well, these Creative V2s are definitely a good set of desktop speakers that I suggest you take a look at. After all, out of my usual rating out of 10, I've got to give these Creative V2s a full 10 out of 10. Guys, I will certainly leave a link for these Creative V2s in the video description down below. Go ahead and take a look and go get yours. Also guys, stay tuned as we are going to be reviewing these fantastic looking Creative Gold earphones. They do boast a huge 39-hour playback time. Yes, 39 hours. That video will be available soon on my channel, so why not go over and click that like button, subscribe, and click that bell notification option so you guys can stay updated on my new uploads. Please share this video wherever possible, I would very much appreciate it. And yes, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the very next video. Peace!